In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an offer on Facebook Marketplace. If you found something you like on Marketplace and want to negotiate the price, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to use Facebook's built-in offer feature clearly and confidently. Start by opening Facebook on your phone or computer. From there, head to Marketplace. On mobile, look for the little storefront icon. On desktop, you'll find Marketplace in the left-hand menu. This is the hub where you can browse categories or use the search bar to find what you're after. Once you've located the item you want, open its listing to see the details. Take a moment to read the description and look over photos so you're confident about what's included and the item's condition. When you're ready to make a move, look for the Make Offer button. This option only appears if the seller has enabled it, so don't worry if you don't see it on every listing. Tap or click Make Offer to bring up the offer screen. Here, enter the price you're willing to pay. Be realistic and courteous. Offers that are close to fair market value tend to get better responses. If you're unsure what's fair, quickly compare similar listings to gauge typical pricing. Keep in mind, some sellers set minimums or receive lots of interest, so a respectful number helps your offer stand out. You'll also see an optional message box. This is your chance to add a short, polite note. You might mention that you're ready to pick up soon or that you can meet at a convenient time. Keep it brief, friendly, and specific. Clear communication shows you're serious and can make the seller more comfortable accepting or negotiating with you. When your price and message look good, tap send. That's it. Your offer is now in the seller's inbox. From here, the seller can accept, reject, or counter your offer. If they accept, you'll be notified and can finalize the details in chat. If they counter with a different price, review it and decide whether to accept or respond with another number. And if they decline, don't take it personally. Popular items move fast, and you can always keep browsing. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss a reply. Remember that sending an offer doesn't reserve the item or handle payment. It simply starts the negotiation. Keep all communication within Facebook for clarity and keep your tone professional. That's the whole process for sending an offer on Facebook Marketplace. Follow these steps, be courteous, and you'll give yourself the best shot at a smooth, successful